Hello everyone, and welcome back to our tech channel. If you're into cloud computing, AWS, Docker, DevOps, or Kubernetes, you've come to the right place. Today, we are going to tackle a very relevant question. How do I scale a microservice running in Amazon EKS based on CPU usage? Let's dive right in. First things first, let's break down the situation. We are talking about a microservice, which is a small, independent service that communicates with other similar services to form a larger application. This microservice is running in Amazon EKS, or Elastic Kubernetes Service, which is a fully managed service that makes it easy for you to use Kubernetes, a popular open source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Now, you might be wondering, why would we want to scale based on CPU usage? Well, if your microservice is handling heavy traffic and using a lot of CPU, you might need to add more instances to handle the load and prevent performance issues. Conversely, if CPU usage is low, you could potentially save money by decreasing the number of instances. Before we dive into the how, make sure you have the following: an Amazon EKS cluster running your microservice, Kubernetes metrics server installed on your EKS cluster, kubectl, the Kubernetes command line tool, installed and configured to interact with your EKS cluster. Alright, now on to the steps. Today we are going to focus on horizontal pod autoscaler, a Kubernetes component that automatically adjusts the number of pods in a deployment or replica set based on observed CPU utilization. 1. Define the metrics. The first step in setting up the HPA is to define the metrics it should use when deciding to scale. This is done in a Kubernetes manifest file where you specify the target CPU utilization for your pods. 2. Create the HPA. Next, you use the kubectl apply command to create the HPA. This tells Kubernetes to create or update resources based on the definitions in the manifest file. 3. Verify the HPA. After creating the HPA, you can use the kubectl get HPA command to verify it's working correctly. This command shows the current and target CPU utilizations for each pod, as well as the minimum and maximum number of pods. 4. Monitor the HPA. Finally, you'll need to monitor the HPA to ensure it's correctly scaling your microservices. You can use the kubectl describe HPA command to see detailed information about how the HPA is performing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to scale your microservice running in Amazon EKS based on CPU usage. Remember, the key to effective scaling is regular monitoring and adjustments based on your application's needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep learning and keep innovating.